Nyame okonkron kaye nyina ho. O mana adom na yemye na humobro eni anim kan. Sere be ya ba bi ya chiachi abra bombi obetenetene de amaye. Ene da ye pie de afrefie, ye mpie because of the fun. Because ye pie se be nya bedi abafie. Ewrane hye hwan chen hwan munyama yen. Mo me yesa anko fie nsapan. On fe ho asam tu ya boafo akoma so. Na won kayen. Na de nipa be di eden. Asite modern. Guys, asite modern. Asite modern. Nyame keo. Why? Nyame keo. Nyame ya mobia. Be di akwesensin Asem Yi Di Ka na edu swim. So enu a me no share ko mobia say about NPP or more internal report. As the name should be my part no more than more Ashanti tem call from kra in 2024 general elections. And I'm Bob Bobby so edit another person more different aspect. And no penny be frame no cast a question that day. Then so a co-position so and all 20 years and I'm saying been 20 times fancy NPP and NDC so. But ye in say some of the challenges no and the bar be more e be affect ye nyina. It minister be su ne ban man pani bia na mo otu ye a ye kan ya no tuma yanka wansem no ene de bedru ba bia bedru ye da bia meka so man ni sabi o enyo hia man se ne pese gu for kan ye way back in 2016 o man ni nyo hia man ye tisika so enso kom de ye na nyan tro ena man pani sabre no twa ye na nyansem o ka for the vote ke ba no kura na wo me say na asem no kura chodo no wo ka ye tisika so oman enso kom ademanfo botom ayem na wo chi me free efie ba na wo hwe tesano police station wonom ese obo onim kakra om de bi a che kwan mienu ase covered bi na me hwe Ghana de hye mabunu edasa de ne so. Then I asked myself, what kind of future are we building? Make him so be upon the kwabro chire kwhama for the abonten sa. Akwa matam na amamfo no bene mu ene mama adio mu na obetinya ka say o kwabro chire asa. Be enyan mu mfra bro chire metna o because aho chire abro chire o. We are near cats, so Mummy Sophia want to abrofo no, and yes, or person bokro no. Omo na edi kan, to amunko ebetimi de ho ato omo. Ye ti fa unko to omanya ye chane bebre. Because ye bobra ne koye nim. Ti am ye me yes na be ya, e betwi manyoni bi adwende ese so. And I want to believe say some of these things I can't remember. The late Dr. Kwasiboche report by. I was the first person to interview Dr. Kwasiboche. Because I'll preview to that report. And to say, yeah, by a betomu. Oh, how now me see a deep political party's co-position? And say, that is my worry. Me say from Kwame Nkrumah time, I did a to Kwame Nkrumah, ebesi and net. And say, and one is a political campaign. So that I ask myself, say, so ye progressive and I see a day. That's about my first slide. NPP, Ashanti region report. Ye did move. Leadership skills na make a video. We are member boss, you nyame mako since me chema chema to go on committee no. Honorable say chairman sabonso kwakwa denis kwakwa no wona ka obi na ohia mbabia bi sa makonisi say madwen kire wo NPP abato no molusu yan wo say obi em sa mehwe eti we ha madwen kire ni ha we NPP fo we NPP fo adwen kire ti mu amasem na mpani fo kruche de kukata so amanya bi na mebo bi na wa anya awe how ye capture wasem no ti mu ohuru say ye capture wasem na o ka kire mpani fo no o si point 2.4 Nana Akufo-Addo's leadership style. On the leadership style of the president, 87% of the respondents asserted that the president was seen to be unmoved by public sentiment and concerns. Some stated that they found the president to be non-receptive to ideas and suggestions to the very issues that would have made 2024 elections easier. Some of the respondents said the first term of the president was very good and that he was a listening president. However, in his second term, he appeared to have exhibited stiff-necked intransigence and vindictiveness. Tio, where NPP for? Tio, NPP, the brofo. Oh, brofo don't find where NPP for? When person say, "Enye Ghana for no sample of you so." Like the general Ghanaian, there be the general Ghanaian sample of you. Where ye NPP at the top for, and now honorable say chairman Sabosuno Mudi Kobo, and now some muka any alpha president Nanado down Father, and the figure is 87% of Uncroform Nomika side. However, in the second term, the president appeared to have exhibited stiff-necked intransigence and vindictiveness, among other traits which did not augur well for the party's fortunes at the polls. Unanimously, respondents asserted that the president's refusal to reshuffle ministers in his government was seen as a show of weakness of his leadership. That kind of can later. That I'm aware of, because I can't slide, so I'm aware now. It's a young one. Mampani be a second term now. Adiwe. Uhunu bi wom. It's na make say NDC for ye nyina ye moama president ama en succeed no. Na man for free say akwesimi can out of the moon. The average Ghana ni ankasa no. Se tumi no onyanya ne last rounder. Dwe ahomaso ahantan eba ne mu. Ena NPP for can no hanum no. Say in the first time of President Kufuor, he was a listening president. What changed the listening president to be a vindictive president? We NPP for. Enye mako sense yana America. NPP for. So ye man penny a obaye no. Na wo kan asem na wo tie. Na Kufuor do nya ne second term no ne ye ba ba wie ne de won say ne hwan so betu Kufuor do for. Who said one so be catch as president Kufuor do baby ade o man ne ko no emwa ye be affect party no who said ne hwan NPP for. Nyamma kwasinsia. Yesu ne ban ye wo Ghana amonyofo dodo na nkase. Maybe ebia no mo ba o madwene mo se ba ebia edri de ye wie. It's not no make no NPP itafo bi antemase. The India make us a monton koso hama wa akopem se president Kufuor do ebe sesan ye free sense man no mo antemase em fi se bio me bo Kufuor do chikeke. Ba me say ene NPP ni kan asem adwomama won fa. NPP ni o kan asem adwomama won fa da. Obafan say agoya say oye campaign bi. O fa ya NPP futo no de ya adwuma nti won fa. But NDC ni kan asem a Jomama be fan easy. That's why me guys say mom when you am mere mo pane fo no so a. De be to how mu. That is why your politics na kwakwa say mo opposition ade bia anye me ba power na me criticize ye no ma ba be defend afa de ye because me nya bidi to be okay. Okay? No opposition. Na the chrono defend ye no wasako kan wasem bonne. Etem because yentumpon. O mani nyo yama yo. Na so aburo ne baye ne abomo bonne. Ene de dua baabi a yedri. We NPP for eneka. That's my second slide. We NPP for. No come my go ahead. Thank you. Now, there's an issue here. Later, maybe you become. Or say, the tribe and religion of flag bearer have any impact? So, NPP flag bearer on the buy no ye kremoni o ye ceremony so party for ni bisa pelefon bisa party chitafo ni said so Bawumia ye ceremony ye ceremony nti ena ni vote wa Asante mantem eba afo na tiaso mo kai over 95% of respondents emphatically stated that the tribe of the presidential candidate did not affect the fortunes of the party in the 2024 general elections. However, about 5% of the respondents were of the view that the Mamprusi-Kusasi conflict negatively affected the party in the general elections, especially in the rural farming constituencies, which the Kusasis and their ethnic associates exist. In huge numbers, they voted against Dr. Bawumia. In addition, 98% of the respondents indicated that that presented a Muslim candidate as the party's flag did not influence the outcome of the elections. The study revealed that the non-Akan and the non-Christian presidential candidacy of Dr. Bawumia had just insignificant impact on the results. The Akan populations who abstained from voting for Dr. Bawumia or who voted against him did not do so because he is non-Akan, not now. In March, the same way, the Christians who abstained from voting for Dr. Bawumia or who voted against him did not do so for religious reasons, but for other stated reasons. Ironically, majority of the respondents from the northern background was of the view that traditionally, seniority should always be prioritized. As a result, they voted for Mr. Mahama since they consider him to be older than Dr. Bawumia. The last party will have a crown. Yes, I have to be an adjoint because mean to be Antona Banco. Mean to be Antona Banfanco. Minister to me no. Me vote here one. Wow, Hermes would year one. Obi baby over to Jacobas. Some year adjoint ba. Ye nyina betena near Bobo adjoint no. So akwaso adjoint saying your politician can crank a befana. You see, if say ye begina so basically because say your mama chain Bawumia. Elti yen fama your mama. Then I ask myself, say your mama Timisa Kobi na another senior Nod Nabi eba o me mama sin chain afa Mahama na afa di pakrona na. I think we need to go beyond certain year maybe. But see we ma adwen kire enye nhye because my catch abato de eso bi obi ato na abadeko. But the reason for say esimesi chain we na ehye no pani di ade ansa na akwada aba no we nye efia konya. With all due respect, in fia konya ye penipa wonsusuye a betimi aboa mo man akonkan. If that was the basis it here ye nnuamo a omo no mka say so omo to abade ma pani Mahama dia me issue. So they saw John Mahama's ideas superior than that of Dr. Bawumia. Perfect. But to say Mahama chain Bawumia enti ne to abade ma Mahama dia e dangerous. E dangerous. Because ya hwene ya sebi ye ko ye nim ya one day ye ko akofo ni pa bi e bokra hye dan so all in the name of seniority. Tinwe mo wosimi ka say we nya nhye infama futu we enche so ba se sa adwenche nsusuye na ya kan dia to ye timfretete no ye san so ne so biem e ye fia konya dia fine ne fia konya kwasa akola tim dia de ma pani trafie e fia konya akora dia de ama pani trafie but we your mind nyina ho they say every decision bia man pani bia beteki bia no e be affect on my money nyina da. Eza o to abade am obi a ye bisa mo obi am say ni panas mo kan so ampa say eno ne betimi abo man na na minim ye durumre bi Ghana ne to abes oh asimesi wo ye tenten wo ye kokko ne ho fe etuma to abade am no ene ye ne. I think we'll see a movie beyond that. I think we'll see a movie beyond Sadeno. Sa kwasinsia emwa and to abama kwasinsia because opa kwasinsia say no. Me say your mind chichiri o. O mind na ye chichiri. It is so. What de me ho do ekoto abama me. Na sa kwasinsia say yo me ni adwen papa betimi abo ma na tumponwa. What say we vote? What say o mind no? ti obi asem a woka enye because asimesi akọ school chen obi da bi enye because asimesi wo sika chen we da bi. It's about ideas. You bet me aboa mo man no etu bon. O man kan kwa na edwe ho. It's not about no ye senior to obi. Se ko ba se omo hunu se mampani John Dramani Mahama ensusuye ne manifesto ya ode ba ye no emu du asempa wom eche Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de ya o say ye super. Eye baso chene de mesre. Last one out ameko na aduwe NPP yes me fa mo fa so am munyai. NPP ameko na homaso mu dodo. Eti penifo na mo te akira mo hwe party mo hwe mu biem. Ahomaso o party mu dodo. O party na ahomaso mu too much. Obi anya tumi ni sika kakra bia opeso ohuriti na obi akon. O party mo hwe ne ye. Ochina meye comparison manya some two other reports be about the same NPP. Much or say omo ansua bibia from especially 2020 near course no. Some of the issues some complaining about report no ori aya osaf maf mo koye no. There's some of the nyama no repeat here in this report. To omo ansua hwe. Ge a hantan. Ya dokromo party no. Mo hwe ne ye. Me did akwasensia oman kwabda Ashanti na about 4 etna sede mpese mu ato asama Asem Yi Di Ka background
Asem Yi Di Ka Asem Yi Di Ka Asem Yi Di Ka Asem Yi Di Ka Inna beka akwasi insia Commander 6 Kano said yes